Good morning, fellow explorers. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling virtual road trip across the diverse landscapes of the United States. Grab your imaginary passport, pack your sense of adventure, and join us as we